I'm trying, guys. We're walking around first. Look at that, a parrotfish.
I tasted this one. It's really good.
Yeah, those are like.
Here came from, you see, very big, very fresh. You see. Yeah, big one. This is not for you, brother. No expensive. All the same.
Parrotfish.
Yeah, I didn't know they eat parrotfish. Bro, we'll be back. Holy shit.
Told you.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Just looking right now.
Catfish. Like lobster.
YouTube video. That shark's cool.
Oh, close.
Thank you. I'll be back. Thank you.
I'll try the pancake too.
We will. We do it all, dude.
This is favorite here. Yes. It's really favorite. Okay, we look around. Hungary.
Hungry. You hungry?
Goodbye, guys.
From Hungary. It's Hungary. I don't like that one.
You want to talk?
Oh, okay.
First barbecue, bro. Crocodile, chicken wing, this ball.
Thank you.
Guys, bro, what do you got, my brother? You got a food, bro? Thai seafood?
Thank you. We're just walking around now. I'll let you know. I'll be back.
Yes, my
Thank
brother,
you.
got a food, bro?
I'll be back.
Oh, you be back. Yeah, good price, man, no?
Thank you.
Yes, bro, you got a food.
Up.
Hello, come opportunity, bro.
This one looks fresh.
Crocodile, frog, jack, big, chicken.
Then they got the crocodile again, you see?
Crocodile, chicken satay, spring roll, garlic breast. Pork, pork belly, pork knuckle.
Wanna eat some meat here?
Okay.
Yes, to be good.
Can we choose the stick?
Yeah.
And how much is one stick?
One stick, 100, brother.
And this one?
That's 300, brother.
300.
Oh.
250 for you, okay, yeah.
200 for me.
250.